Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm here to bring you the card kit reveal and inspiration for October, and this one's called Fall Vibes. I'm going to start you off with this really unique 4x6 stamp set created by CZ Designs. There are many messages in this set which read, "It has been decidedly way too long since I saw your face. I've missed you so very much, and I just wanted you to know. Birthday wishes for your special day. Thank you for being there when I needed you. Sending many congrats on your big day. I am so grateful for you every single day. Sending you all my love during this very difficult time. Sending all the hearts your way. And finally, hello, my sweet friend." There's also some small hearts, a bar, a couple more hearts, and some dots. Also a flower stem and flower blossom and balloon. And you can mix and match these however you want on your cards. The solid ones can be used with our positively saturated inks, and then the open text can be stamped and even embossed on color cardstock. Up next, we have a set of stencils for you, and these are called the Pumpkin Patch, and there are 4 stencils in this pack, and there's even a stencil just for the stems. To match these up when you're doing your stencils, look for the etching that says Simon Says Stamp, and make sure that they're all upright to make your coloring easier. I've made a sample using 3 different colors of Simon Says Stamp positively saturated ink, and you can use one stencil and color all in one color. So it's really easy, and I found it very relaxing to use this stencil set. We're also including the new Simon Says Stamp and Stencil mat to use with your stencils. So you have horizontal and vertical A2 sizes. You also have lines for an A7 size, and then also that outline area for your stencil. So it's really easy to line these up over your cardstock. It has a protective sheet. You can just lift this up and remove it, and the mat is nice and tacky to hold your stencil and paper in place. Also included in this kit, to make your stenciling just a little bit easier, we are including the Tim Holtz Distress Mini Blending Brush. You simply remove the lid and then slide down the carrier to reveal the brush. You can use this for stippling by just pouncing, or you can also use swirling motions to get your stenciling done. And when you're done, just slide the carrier over the brush and replace the cap at the top and slide back down. We also have a brand new embossing folder from Simon Says Stamp, and this one's called Modern Loop. So it almost looks like little flowers that are tilted. So here's our embossing folder, super easy to use. Just open your folder, put in your A2 size cardstock, shut the folder, and then run it through your die cut machine on the setting or sandwiches for a 3D embossing folder. Fall just wouldn't be fall without a little bit of Halloween. We're also including a full pack of the Tim Holtz Ideology large Halloween collage strips. These measure 2¼ inches wide by 9 inches tall, and there are plenty of images that you can cut and add to some backgrounds of your card bases, or even cut into some tags or other shapes. There's a total of 24 of these strips in a pack, and as I keep rolling through, you can see that they have a very fall Halloween theme. Some are Halloween, and some are just some basic patterns that you can cut up. I love this little bat. What we're also including with these are the Tim Holtz Ideology photo frames set. These are metal frames, so you can use your alcohol inks or foundry wax to decorate them. You can also make little mini shakers. The back side of these are flat, so it's easy to glue them onto your projects. Also included is a Tim Holtz Ideology craft stock. This is metallic classic cardstock, and it measures 6 by 9. This is beautiful to run through your embossing folder or to use with your die cuts. And to round out your kit, we have 3 cardstocks for you. The first one is Creamsicle, the second is Ivory, And the final is dark chocolate, and these are all 100-pound Simon Says stamp cardstocks. And that's it for the reveal portion of our card kit, Fall Vibes. Up next, I have some inspiration from our designers. I've created a couple cards using the pumpkin patch stencil set and those frames. So the first one, I used some bright fall colors, and then I stamped the small rectangles 4 times and put my message on top, and then added it to the small frame with some twine. For my second card, I stenciled onto the dark chocolate cardstock using some oxide inks. I added a collage strip with the frame that I altered with some foundry wax and then tied it with a ribbon at the bottom. Nina added some of the colored portions of those collage strips to make a nice collage background. Then she stamped and gold embossed her message and cut it out in a circle. Callie created a beautiful colored background with the stencil with some bright pinks and oranges to match her creamsicle card base that she used the embossing folder with, stamped her message and added it to a frame, and then tied it with a small bit of twine. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Fall Vibes. As a reminder, each of our valued subscribers have a chance each month to receive free U.S. shipping on a card kit subscription purchase. Simply log into your account, click Manage Subscription, and add additional products to your subscription purchase so that the total is over $100 US. You'll need to do this before 11 p.m. Eastern Time on the 15th of each month. International customers will receive $7.99 off the cost of their shipping with no code required for existing subscribers. I do have some links in the description box below for how to purchase this kit and our monthly subscription, and also a link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonsSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.